What other courses does USC offer that are done piecemeal? I'm talking about, you know, we say this should be a year-long study. This legislature has said that. The university has chosen over the years not to do it and to violate the statute, but and to break it apart in sort of bits and pieces and hand out constitutions and things. So tell me, what other courses? Do you do a chemistry course that way, or do you teach German that way, or how do you do that? How do you break out a course curriculum? I think Representative Smith talked about you are a professor at the University of North Greenville and teaches this. Do you? I won't ask you this question because I'm sticking up here. But how do you piecemeal a course?
Well, I'm not necessarily talking piecemeal from the standpoint of parts here that have been historically. I'm thinking as you look going forward, is there a way to do something online, which there are online courses from that standpoint? Are there other options and alternatives that will be available to take a closer look at? And I think a part of our fiscal impact, the fiscal impact had broad ranges based on how we could then implement it. So there are, I think, many ways it can be done. I think our fiscal impact we presented showed a variety of ways, but may not meet the exact letter of the statute.
Derrick,
or the proposed legislation, I should say.
Yes. I must tell you, I have a problem with the financial impact statement. For my purposes, and I speak only for me, I think it's just about as bogus as I've ever seen one. We cast a net and said, boy, we're going to do this, so how much is it going to cost? And everybody went down their wish list. Well, I'm going to add a professor here and an associate here, and I'm going to add this, and I'm going to add that, and let's make that number look really big. Your response, please.
And I think if I don't have it before me,